Theodore. No, sorry. Nicola, why is
Theodore is
here?
here for my birthday.
Okay. So why don't you, two of you say what? Cheese for this thing so we can have a
Cheese.
Good. Well, I think that's enough. Do you think so, Nicola?
Yes, I do.
Oops,
Okay.
I see snakes here.
Okay, wait, just see. Okay, so these are
Chicken fingers and small snakes.
Okay, and now how do I turn it off?
That's good.
No. I want to keep recording, but I want to zoom. This one is for zooming. Okay. Like this. Okay. This is all. Oh, this is not good
Why?
because I cannot get. All right, now a smile. So I'll take a pic, Nicola. Thank you. Wait a second.
The one with the papa like this?
Yes.
Yeah, it was in here.
Yes. Every year. You should do another one.
Huh?
You should do another one.
Wait till Terrence settles it.
Okay.
Try
what do you want to see now?
Let's go.
Let's go this way.
Did a tsunami ever hit a building?
Yeah, Indonesia.
Hitler's. Garden on your I also made a sundial. Also, I enjoyed eating and drinking at the Swiss Chalet. I liked the lemon meringue pie the most. Yes, I did.
Okay.
Fine.
And what did you like about Theodore being here for your birthday?
I like that Theodora. I liked it when Theodore took me to Edwards Gardens.
You mean when he drove us?
Yes, I do.